I am Biscuit. I am a good boy. But my dear human gave Biscuit a bad bed. Why would you give a good boy a bad bed?
We all make mistakes.
Maybe you do.
Listen, most pet beds are gross. They stink, they're hard, they're lumpy, and they look like this. The pet bed world needed an intervention. So with the comfort scientists at Purple, I engineered the all-new Purple Pet Bed. The first and only pet bed to feature Purple's crazy comfy, super sciencey Purple technology.
Oh wow, Biscuit is excited. Whoops. Biscuit peed a little.
It happens.
And poo.
We all do. But on the Purple Pet Bed, that's okay. You see, first we looked at other pet beds. Most come in a variety of covers ranging from cotton and nylon to microfiber and polyester. Problem is, most of these fabrics are easily penetrated by moisture. Moisture creates bacteria, and bacteria smells gross. Moisture. This means even when you bathe, condition, and deodorize your little buddy, as soon as they lay down on their bed, that old dog smell returns like a bad sequel. I'm looking at you, Michael Bay. So just toss the cover in the wash, right? Wrong. Because the real problem is the bed itself. Foam slat, cotton batting, fluff chunks. These materials are a breeding ground for bacteria, mold, and fungi. No, guys, the bad fungi. You guys. That means your pet bed not only smells gross, but might be making you more allergic to Fido, or cat Fido. That's where the Purple Pet Bed comes in. When we developed the Purple Pet Bed, we addressed all these issues starting from the inside out. The core of our bed is made of our ultra-comfy, hyper-elastic polymer. The comfort core is then wrapped in an antimicrobial, waterproof, odor-proof protector. That means no bacteria, no smell. Better than my human son. And our easy-to-remove, ultra-durable cover is also antimicrobial, as well as stain and moisture-resistant. Not to mention a beautiful statement piece for any living room, bedroom, or pet room. You know, if you're one of those people.
Guilty.
Now here's why your furry friends are gonna go barking mad over the Purple Pet Bed. It's just so dang comfy.
Don't be jealous.
Ever notice that even though you bought the $200 plush microfiber therapeutic deluxe edition pet bed at a big box store, your fur children still prefer your bed over theirs? Yeah! Boy, do I love shedding, is probably what cats think as they diabolically spread their fur all over your bedspread. But hey, they're just so cute. Also, you might notice your more fur-heavy friends prefer to sleep on the cool tile floor over their soft dog bed. Kind of like how I prefer Chloe to Kim. That's why we engineered the Purple Pet Bed to be temperature neutral. Your little buddies can rest comfy, pant-free, meaning no panting. I think that's pretty cool.
As cool as your fanny pack? Nerd.
Has your pet ever utterly destroyed his or her bed? First off, maybe they're trying to tell you something. But also, pets love to scratch and chew. But nothing scratches and chews with more precision. Plug in the claw! Our way to test for durability. The Purple Pet Bed withstood over 60,000 claws from this monster. The Purple Pet Bed is the absolute greatest pet bed of all time. So if you love your pets like she loves sloths,
I can die happy now.
then treat your furry friends to the best rest of their unfortunately short lives. And hey, we at Purple don't discriminate. The pet bed is great for dogs, cats, pigs, goats, snakes. Look at that spinal alignment. Hedgehogs, horses, pet rocks, chia pets, Pop-Tarts, imaginary friends, clip art animation pets, even humans dressed like dogs.
OMG.
The Purple Mattress has brought comfort to thousands of humans. Now, we can bring that same level of comfy to your beloved pets. And act quickly, because in the time it took you to watch this video, your little Beethoven is already a week older.
Beethoven sucks. Metallica all the way.
Biscuit.
You should look them up on Pirate Bay, bruh.
We'd love your support. If you would like to pre-order a Purple Pet Bed, select one of our pledge levels over here. Or here. Or wherever.
I did, and now I'm in the video.
He really did.